Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be cooking a bacon cheeseburger casserole. What our ingredients will consist of is half of an onion. We're going to saute. We got some garlic, 2 cloves, fresh. Some onion powder. And we got about little over 2 pounds of meat. Mix that all in there. Get this all nice and incorporated. Get it smelling good, tasting good. And also we're going to be using, for this recipe, we're going to be using a pound of bacon that we already cooked up and chopped up, 8 ounces of mild cheddar cheese, and 8 eggs, heavy whipping cream, and the other remainder of the cheese will be on top. So about 16 ounces of cheese altogether. When this is all browned up, we'll be right back. Ground beef, I would say, is pretty much done. We're going to turn our little mini stove off here, stove top, and we'll drain this. Get all the grease out. Oh man, that garlic and onion, man, does this smell good. Alright, what we'll do now is we will take our ground beef and we will spread it across this 9x13 pan. Spread that across. Try and make it nice and even. Like so. Now we will take, here we have our 8 eggs, heavy whipping cream, a little bit of mild cheddar cheese. We're going to add some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each, and we will mix this in a little bit. Also, what we're going to do, we're going to take our bacon bits that we cooked up and chopped up. We're going to spread this across. Also smooth this out. Get this all nice and incorporated in. Man, this smells good. Boy, is this going to be good. Alright, now we're going to pour in our mixture here over top. Here, so we can see the cheese going in there. Kind of want to mix this in. Alright guys, we have our oven set preheated at 350, and we are going to cook this for about 30 minutes. But before we put that in there, we're going to just top this off with a little bit more extra cheese here, a little more shredded cheese. Alright, that should be it. Put this in the oven. Okay guys, we will be back in about 30-35 minutes. Should be done. Alright guys, we are back, and our bacon cheeseburger casserole is done. And here is our final look of it. Looks yummy. Now let's cut into this and let's give it a try. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. Boy, it looks yummy. Look at that. Let's give it a taste. Very good. I will give this thumbs up, and everybody be sure to give it a try. And if you do, like always, leave us a comment. Let us know how it tasted and turned out for you. And stay tuned for some more upcoming videos. We got some more good ones coming up, especially with Easter coming next weekend. We got a good one lined up for you. All right, everyone, have a great day, and God bless. Bye.